guys. Hey guys, it's me, Gabe, and today we're blowing stuff up again. And we're blowing up this little device that I made just yesterday. And we have more as well. Not as cool as we're going to be getting. So I'll be right back with the next thing to blow up. Hey guys, I'm back right here, and we're blowing up the diamond block next. It has one piece of TNT, which will be really, really cool to blow up. Oh, I really thought it would blow up these final blocks. I'll be back with the biggest explosion. We're blowing up a block of TNT. This will be epic. So if I just pull that, so cool. That was the best explosion ever. Nothing except those sheep and zombies survived. Well, a lot of things survived, but not a single block in this area did. Except those blocks. Just leave a comment on what you want me to blow up next. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.